Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. I'm here tonight to tell you a bit about the leeks and cheese tart. So the picture's already on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine. And I have used a Mary Berry's recipe, a classic. I prefer it cold, not hot to be honest, but it's my taste. And I will take you guys through the process step by step. It's not that hard to make. Of course, if you like what you see here today and you're not one of our subscribers yet, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. And don't forget to tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please feel free to leave any comments below on the YouTube channel, or you can DM me on Instagram with new ideas. Why not? I'll be happy to hear them. Until next time, guys, please take care of yourselves and don't forget, go break an egg. For the leek and cheese quiche, guys, for the pastry, because I'm going to make the pastry, I'm going to use my my food processor for the first time doing this. I'll see how it goes. So I put 125 grams of cold butter, salted butter, and then we got 225 grams of plain flour. We're going to mix this with a mixer until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then we're going to add an egg and a tablespoon of water and mix it again until it becomes like a ball of dough. So let's just do that quickly here. So butter, flour, hopefully this will work, but
like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and
me. And baked. So I baked it for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees. I'm still letting it cool it down. It's not cooled completely yet. And if it does drip like mine did, see there's another layer of cheese behind the pie layer, which is this one, but it's absolutely fine. I'm sure the taste will be great. So here you go, guys. Leek, and I put 3 types of cheeses, pie. I'm sure you'll enjoy it for dinner, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video too. See you next time. Go break an egg.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. to be.